Alright guys, we're going to make a very simple twist. This is 1/2 inch square stock. This is what I make all my fire pokers and everything out of. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to get this neat little twist design. If you want to make some twisted handles and stuff. This is super easy to do. You can use a triangle file, or you can use a flat file if you don't have an end grinder. If you have a cutting wheel and an end grinder, you can do it with that. It's just a little bit more difficult to make it so uniform if you use the grinder. So, let's just jump right into this. Okay, got this on edge in the vise. I'm not making this on an actual fire poker or anything. Just going to show you guys the basics of how to do this. Doing every 1/2 inch, making a mark, and since this is 7 inches long, there's going to be a lot of these. They don't have to be absolutely perfect, but the closer you get them, the more uniform it looks. Ooh, that one's off a little bit. Ooh. Okay. And then 7 inches. So we got 14 on this side and we'll have 14 on the other side. Gives you that really cool, super simple. But I like the design of it. It feels good when you're holding it in the hand. So, again, this is just to show you guys how to do it. Super simple. If you've got a triangle file, that works the best. If all you have is a flat file, you can just turn your flat file on edge. That works too. So all you're gonna do, put on your mark. Obviously you want to take it down quite a ways. Sorry, my table shakes. I don't have it perfectly level. Try to keep it square. And you want to go down a little deeper than that. And you can do this with a grinder, but if you take the time and do it with a triangle file like this, it makes it look way more uniform in the end. It's pretty close. Anyway, so you get the gist of it. I'm going to do that to this side, flip it over, do it on the other side. We'll go from there. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And like I was saying, this is just a scrap piece. I'm just going to show you guys what this twist looks like on a longer piece of steel. It goes really good on like a fire poker. Like, here's one that I've got. I didn't put this on it. I don't have one that does have this in it that I can show you right now, but this design on the fire poker handle, in my opinion, I think it looks really cool, and like I said, it feels good in the hand, a little better than just regular twist. So also, if you've got an end grinder with a cutting wheel, it fits those grooves almost perfectly, which means that you could do it with that. Just a little easier to mess it up with a grinder. So if you're wanting to look absolutely beautiful, do it with a file. But definitely not impossible to do with the grinder. So, could be a little warmer, but it's alright. Or as little twist as you like. Get the whole thing heated up good, but I was going to cut this off anyway. guys could do here too is you could take every other, so on each side I did a 1/2 inch. So if you do 1/4 inch and then 3/4 of an inch on the opposing side, you would have twist all, notch mark all the way down your twist, all the way around. So if you wanted to add to it, you could do that pretty easily. But all in all, this is as simple as it gets for a twist. To make it stand out instead of just having a regular old twisted handle.